Good morning, Ezekiel. Happy Friday. Today we're working on our IEP goals number 3 and number 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. So let's begin. Goal number 3. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, Ezekiel will identify numbers 1 through 3 when giving verbal, visual, model, and gestural ASL prompts with 70% of the time. Let's go ahead and begin. So today we're working with number 2, Ezekiel. Can you say 2? Number 2. Let's count the sheep. 1, 2. So you're going to trace the number 2. Grabbing your pencil, you're going to follow the little lines. Let's look at the next assignment. Point to the number 2. Where is number 2, Ezekiel? Good. Circle number 2. Now point to the number 3. Circle number 3. Good job. Now let's go ahead and go to goal number 4. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Ezekiel will identify and point to basic shapes with 70% accuracy. So let's go ahead and look at our worksheet. So this is the worksheet that we have for today. So remember, this is a triangle, circle, rectangle. This is a diamond. This is a square. Now point to the triangle. Triangle, good job. Point to the square. Square, good job.